Hey guys, here's how much it is from Home Depot for everything I bought. This is Home Depot's price versus what I paid for on the tool truck. So, here's how much it would be from Home Depot. Home Depot price. And then tool truck price is way more than Home Depot price, but like I told everyone in shop, I just don't feel like going to Home Depot after work or on the weekends. So, Cornwell tool truck was cost this much, $371.29 for that. $254.60. So that means I paid $116.69 more. So I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace. I'm out. But wait, before I do that, and then let me show you the Milwaukee stuff I bought on Cornwell's website. Now this is how much it is on Cornwell's website. But then I got it for $336.33 that. And then the other one is 48.32. Then I got that for not that price that's listed on the website, but I got it for $34.96. So I just wanted to let you guys know. And sorry that I said the like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post in the community tab ahead of time, because honestly I wasn't done. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know.